Watch AI create a nonprofit financial activity dashboard from scratch in under 2 minutes. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We'll start by importing our financial data. The file uploads instantly. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our nonprofit's financial transactions, identifying patterns in income and expenses, donor information, and payment methods. It's automatically detecting the most important insights and creating visualizations that tell our financial story. The AI is building charts for transaction statuses, expense outliers, income distribution, and donor analysis. It's also generating tables for category breakdowns and pending transactions. This intelligent system understands nonprofit financial data and creates exactly what we need without any manual configuration. And there we have it, our complete nonprofit financial activity dashboard with 6 dynamic charts and 3 detailed tables, all generated automatically. We can instantly customize the appearance with different themes to match our organization's branding. Now let's explore presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen view is perfect for board presentations, hiding all the editing tools and focusing entirely on our financial insights. We can navigate through our data story seamlessly, showing transaction patterns, expense analysis, and donor contributions in a professional format that's ready for any audience. Back to editing mode, we can scroll through and interact with every element. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.